Storm is here. Storm has arrived. What's up with y'all? How you doing? What's good with you? What's poppin'? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. If you're something draining, it's my bathtub because I just took a bath because I have to get clean for school. This is a makeup tutorial type get ready with me because I decided to show y'all how I get cute. I just want to let y'all know also that makeup does not make you cute. Makeup just adds to your beauty. It never makes you beautiful. You already are beautiful before the makeup. So just remember that. And I'll talk to you guys in a second. Okay guys, so first what I'm going to do is take this chocolate brown and put this all over the crease. I wanted to go for something really simple but also something really cute. So yeah, I'm using my Morphe palette for this look. Then for the lid, I'm taking this like bronze orange color and just putting that all over my lid. And after that, I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. This eyeliner is from Sephora. I only use liquid eyeliner. I can't rock with pencil or felt or none of that. I have to have a liquid applicator or whatever you want to call it. So yeah. So I'm just taking my time, making my wing look as good as I can. And yeah, I feel like doing eyeliner really just makes you look more awake and makes your eyes look bigger and just, yeah, all that good stuff. So now I'm going to take some primer, and this primer is from Sephora. I don't recommend because it really makes my foundation shift and move a lot. So I don't recommend this primer. I recommend maybe like a Becca primer. They have really good primers, or Too Faced or something else, because the Sephora one was not it, sis. And it makes my face like really dry, so it's a no-go for me. But this is what I used for today's video. And after I put my primer on, I went in with my Fenty foundation. Oh no, sorry, I put on my eyelashes. These are from Cocoa, I believe, in the color the style Stella. Literally, when I'm putting on lashes, I am so focused. Anyways, so now I'm going to take my Fenty foundation and put this all over. I'm not exactly sure what the name is, so I can't really help you with that, I'm sorry. But I do need to get a new beauty blender because this one is like dang near finished. Like I need to throw it away. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and highlight. This is a concealer from NARS in the color Walnut, I believe, and this is not too much of a highlighting concealer. It's more of just like covering up your dark circles and all your bags and all that type of stuff. So next I'm gonna go in with my Bill Nye banana powder, and I know it's not really called Bill Nye banana powder, it's Ben Nye, but we love Bill Nye the Science Guy, so we're gonna use that name instead. And now after that, I'm gonna go and contour using my Lorac Pro contour kit. And just contour those cheekbones, honey. You gotta get it sculpted and nice and popping, period. So, yeah. So next what I'm gonna do is highlights all over. And I'm using, this is, I believe, my MAC Gold Deposit highlight. And this is like the truth. I love this stuff so much. And yeah. The last step is to add some gloss or lipstick or whatever you want to use, but this is my favorite lip gloss. It's from my beauty supply and it just looks so cute on me. But yeah, you guys, it's the end of the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a big old thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. The hair in this video, by the way, is from my hairline, fangirlhair.net. But yeah, y'all, bye. Mwah.
We don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No ice, misfits, no typos. Look, wait. We just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible.